Do we need to go in here? I don't know. Oh, hell no, the big fat bird. We're back with Secret of Mimic.
The best way to the admin wing
Yeah,
is
like,
through
shut
the
up for
warehouse.
1 second.
That's the big room you've been standing in front of all night. You can see
Right,
it through that window.
I can't wait.
Guess
I
you should have
can't
gone there
wait.
first. But hindsight is 20/20, right? As always, try to keep quiet and don't draw attention to yourself. Do that, and I'm positive nothing else bad is going to happen to you. Until the next time something else bad happens to you.
Okay. You're okay. Good. Okay, going. Y'all need some water. Some water. Anyone? Anyone? No.
Make a video out of it. It's just water.
Oh hell no, the rock. Okay. It's going to detach himself. Ooh, a fucking puzzle. Okay. Puzzle. The heck? Alright. Ooh. Do we need to go in here? I don't know. Oh hell no, the big fat bird. I knew some shit. It's always some shit popping up. It's always some shit popping up. She's coming. It's always some shit. Yeah, go over there. Go over there. She coming. I hear her big ass. Oh my god. Oh, another one. Hurry up, close it. Oh, there's my office. Looks so flat. It looks flat as she's coming. Gotta find 3. She's over there. She's coming past. And it's the easiest animatronic to get fucking past. She is slow as shit. I mean, the big motherfucker can't even turn her neck. Food detected. I'm not food. Your fat ass up out of here. Your fat ass home. I'm not food. What, your fat ass can't open the locker? Your fat ass fingers can't grip the locker handle to open it? Ridiculous. She was right there. Right there. She ain't gonna get me out. I don't think she can flat with fat ass. She ain't get me now. You're the reason why I hate fucking David. David. Okay. So David my son or what? Like I just came up here for a toy. For a toy? Really? Okay, where's the it's right there. Okay. Alright. I just came up here for a toy. Are you kidding me? God. Thank God. I hope she gets not in here. Her fat ass probably ain't fit. What the fuck is this? So it's some shit. Okay, it's always some shit. Okay, so let's go down here. Let's see what this is. Okay. Some bullshit. That's what it is. Some shit. Okay, I get it. Give me a couple. Cactus. Cactus. Or grass. No. Take her grab the cactus. Grab these guys. Grab the punching thingies. Punching thingies. There, yeah. It's gonna be good. Hey, I think we got it. Drum and call at the same time. Can we do that? Can we? I'm not gonna lie, that was a fucking took forever. It's tedious. That is the most. Please don't put me in this predicament again. Please don't. I am fed up with this shit. Like, please don't. I swear to God. She could. Oh, hell no. Hopefully she can't come up. She can't come up here. The door closed. Okay, that was super long. Okay, that was. Okay, let's go up here. Ooh, this is nice. Who's this for? This is nice. I might take this couch. What's this for?
It's just not ready.
Whoa. Whoa. Okay, so ours. Alright. Oh hell, text not. Close that shit. We not doing that. Where we do that at? Like I'm just gonna stand there. Let's get this over with, bro. Like. Alright guys, this is where I'm gonna have to end it. Just watch this one.
not him. You're not. Stop sounding like him.
Alright guys, this is where I'm gonna have to end it. If you like the video, leave a like. As always, hope to see y'all in the next one. Love y'all. Bye.